What's up, everyone?
Oh wow.
We're
doing that. Sorry. Keep going.
What's up, everyone? We're like, God damn it. I had it all in the head. What's up, everyone? We are back in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and we are not wasting a second. We went and picked up our car, checked into the beautiful Rim Wang hotel where we're staying, went and found some food. Got some coffee because you gotta get the coffee in you. Now we're gonna go find a tuk-tuk and go check out some hot springs that are about an hour out of town. So it's like an hour. You know how much to go there and then go to hot spring and then come back? 1,200. 1,200?
Yeah, do the sharp math.
200, it's like 40 bucks, I think.
I like our approach with just like, that's reasonable. That's fine. Not like,
for sure.
Maybe somebody will get it for $10, I don't really care. Like,
yeah, well.
Yeah, like, he's gonna literally spend 3 hours of his time with us. Like, yes.
Yeah, that's
I feel like there's always the risk that they're like, I actually don't want to do that.
Very nice, kabuka. You wait here? Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah, like background. Maybe like 1 hour? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Hi, let's do, yeah. Okay, colors. Thank you. I really like that you buy the ticket and the police who is then gonna check your ticket literally sees you buy it. You walk up to him, he rips it, he lets you in. Just seems like that could be one job.
Like she could just rip the ticket out the window and say enter?
Yes. Or he could just sell it to you, whichever. Okay.
Apparently there's some hot springs here so hot that you can't even go in them, and you can buy eggs and boil eggs. How do you like your eggs? Got some eggs to boil now. Half boil, half boil. Okay. Yeah, we'll go like 10 minutes. We'll go for a well done egg. I don't know, is she hard boiled?
Sounds soft.
Oh, it's pretty soft still.
Should have went 12 minutes. Ugh.
Oh, what? No, it's hard boiled. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, I don't need to
Check
leave to dry
out.
heat anymore.
It's a little like soft on the outside, but it's cooked up. 10-minute eggs in a hot spring. Ow. Ants crawling all over me.
Sauce on there? Dipping sauce?
You gotta open it for me though.
Okay.
It's saucy. Ah, ants. Oh my god, my legs are covered in ants. Alright, that's all, folks.
Thank you.
Thanks for waiting.
Hi. Switch sides of the video over.
Yeah. Alright. That's it for today. We're headed back to the hotel. Go wash up.
And
Get
you'll
ready
see this video in 5 months.
for a day tomorrow. This thing's going live tonight. I love tuk-tuks.
Yeah.
So awesome. What's next?
Do you want to try this way towards the food places we were at?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I have something to show you.
Oh, wait.
We came
Last year. 1 year ago. We found it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we're excited to be back.
Very, very good.
One of our favorites. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very glad to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you.